Hello, welcome to Daily Dose Info. My name is Imran and today I will show you how to remove image background in just one click. Go further, kindly like our page Daily Dose Info on Facebook. So if you want a desktop like that, then go to my channel, check the playlist of Windows 10 tips and tricks and watch the first video. Open the browser, write www.remove.pg and now click upload image. Now select the file that you want to remove the background. Now uploading, and don't forget to download your files. They will be discarded automatically after 60 minutes. Now you can see that in just one click the background removed. You can see that download and download HD. Download HD you need to buy premium account. So if you want to free download, then click on download and open it. Now there is no background, and now you can see that there is PNG file and 24-bit. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, then kindly subscribe, share and like this video. Thanks for watching.